Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we'll be creating an HTML file which, if you are a beginner, will be your first ever HTML file. So let's start. So it's simple. First you have to open a notepad or any raw text editing file. For example, Notepad, which is by default available in your PC. Create a new file and let's start. I'll explain you this tag in some time. Now while saving this file, let us name this as file1.html. While saving a HTML file, the .html extension is very important. Never forget to use that and save it. Now next, so the file has been saved here. Right click on it and open with any browser. I'm opening it with Google Chrome. Currently the page is blank because I haven't really added anything. Okay, so now let us focus on the document. So I have written here HTML tag. This is called as a tag. This is opening tag. This is closing tag. Everything inside this tag defines a HTML document. So HTML tag is compulsory. You have to use the HTML tag. Now I am going to show you 3 more tags that are compulsory and that will be in each and every HTML file. So the next tag is head. Head is used to add any header information to your file, like for example title. As you can see, again, open and close tags. Tags basically enclose and give a structure to your document. So anything that I write in between the title, say just title file 1. So this becomes my title. Okay. Anything that I write within the head becomes my header. And everything that I write within HTML tags becomes an HTML document. And the last tag which is compulsory is the body tag. More on that later. Okay. So I'll save this now with Ctrl S and I'll refresh this. As you can see, the title changed. Whatever you add here will come here in the title. Save it, refresh. See? Okay. Now the body tag defines the body of the document, and body is everything that will appear in this window, in this blank space. So let's type something. Save it, refresh. You see hello world. Let us type something more. Welcome to my first HTML file. Save it, refresh. You see that got added to the body. So the body is this blank part. This whole white blank part is your body. Everything written in body will appear here in this whole region. Okay, so far we have seen the 4 compulsory tags. The HTML tag, which describes an HTML document. Everything written within HTML tags is a HTML document. Head is used for adding header information. There are various types of header informations. We'll see that later in the course. But for now, the most important header that you need to know as a beginner is the title. The title will be given to the tab. Whatever you write here will appear on the tab as the title. And finally the body. The most important part is of course the body, because whatever you write in the body appears here. One small observation which you might have made is that I have written hello world and welcome on 2 different lines, but they have come on the same line. So what happens is HTML always ignores spaces. it will take one space. If you add two spaces between hello world, it won't really matter. See, so one space is taken, but two spaces, three spaces are ignored. Also next line is ignored, so you have to add something called as the break tag. And it comes to the next line. Now you might have noticed that this is only using a opening tag and not a closing tag. Okay, so there are some tags in HTML which don't have a close, like the break tag, because we don't have to enclose anything within this. Like this doesn't make sense. You don't enclose anything between the break tag. You use it once and the next sentence goes to the next line. That's it. So there are certain such tags which don't have a close. We will be seeing more of them, but for now let's just remember this is your first HTML file, so this much is enough. And in the coming videos we'll be looking for more tags, and in fact HTML is all about learning these tags. I hope you have understood the structure for now. As a beginner, understanding the structure is more than enough for now. In the course ahead we'll be studying more about tags only. So let us summarize. We have the HTML tag. Anything within the HTML tag describes a HTML document. We have the body tag, which is the main body of the document. Then we have the head tag for header information, of which title is one type of header, and whatever title you give here appears here as a title on the tab. So this is the basic structure. HTML, head, title, body, these are compulsory tags for any HTML page. So this is the basic. Now we'll be learning more about how to create a proper web page in the upcoming videos. Until then, congrats on your first ever HTML file.